Stop buying the shampoo that's killing your hair, making it dry, cause hair loss, and split ends. Use this shampoo instead. A DIY shampoo that you can make on your own. This liquid gold is your new best friend, and it's a total game changer. It will make your hair stronger, shinier, healthier, and have it glowing. So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
1, 2, 3.
I am Dyer, and today I'm showing you the ultimate hair growth formula, starting off with about 1 cup of dried chamomile. This doesn't just smell amazing, it kills dandruff, balances your pH, and uses antioxidants to literally wake up your scalp. Next up is about half a cup of dried rosemary. This is the secret to growth. It boosts circulation and acts as a natural nutrient delivery system to your follicles. This is the 2 ingredients we have for now. I'll mix it up, then put it to the side and move on to the next step. Here I have my boiling water ready. I will add the herbs, then cover it immediately. You can let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes so it can fully infuse into the water. While the mixture is infusing, here is my glycerin melt and pour soap. I will cut this into a small piece, then cut that small piece into even smaller pieces. This is the amount of the glycerin soap that I'll be using in today's treatment. Checking back in on our tea, look at that color, guys. It is perfect. I'll mix it up, then grab my blender to continue on to the next step. Now let's blend. So this is what the blender turned the mixture into, which is a rich golden liquid. We will need this blended tea to make the potent shampoo. I'll now use a cheesecloth to strain out the particles. You guys can use any strainer of your choice. This is what the mixture looks like after straining. You can literally see how potent it is already. Now I'm taking the infused tea and pouring part of it over my glycerin soap so it can start melting and absorbing all the nutrients it needs. My next ingredient is aloe vera. I've already soaked it for over 20 minutes to remove the aloin, the yellow sap that can irritate your skin and scalp. Now, let's extract that gel. Aloe vera is incredible for moisture retention. Its natural enzymes calm the scalp and support thicker, fuller looking hair over time. And look at this consistency. This is exactly what keeps your hair soft and easy to manage. Like usual, I'm going to crush it first using my hand, and then I will use a strainer to get the purest gel possible. This is what the gel looks like after straining, and it's exactly what you need. Now I'm taking back the soap mixture and I'm putting it right into my blender. I'll now be adding the potent tea right into that. Then go ahead and blend it yet again. And watch this transformation, guys. Look at how it turns into a creamy, luxurious shampoo. This is what's going to heal your scalp and stop your hair loss. And the consistency is amazing. After blending, I'll again strain the mixture. So guys, this is what the shampoo looks like after straining. And this shampoo is going to be your hair's best friend. You will love it and your hair will love it. And I promise it will heal your scalp and stop your hair loss. In general, it will restore your hair and you will see the difference yourself. I'll now take the leftover aloe vera juice and add it into the soap, then combine it. The consistency looks very nice. Do you see it, guys? It's very creamy, soft, and there's no words to describe what I see. So stay focused, guys. We're not done yet. To make sure the shampoo has everything, I'll now add some essential oils, starting off with jojoba oil. Next, I'm adding some vitamin E oil. Now let's add some argan oil. The last oil I'll add is some castor oil. Now let's mix it up. This is what the potent shampoo looks like now that it's all done. I'll now use this bottle to store the shampoo in. You can use any bottle of your choice. This potent shampoo is abundant in moisture and is designed to not strip the hair, leaving it feeling soft and conditioned rather than dry. It is specifically designed to nourish dry, damaged, or curly hair, making it softer, smoother, and more manageable. And all the shampoos I make are only made with natural and organic ingredients. Please, always remember to massage your scalp in the shower while using. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to share with your family and friends. If you tried this amazing shampoo out, let me know how your experience was in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!